everyone, my name is Lindsay. I'm 7 years old. Now I would, and this is my friend. Not name is Good. I am good with hiccups. Peppa and George, Mommy and Daddy are having breakfast. It is a lovely sunny day, and Peppa and George can't wait to go into the garden to play. Peppa, Mommy and Daddy are having breakfast. It is a lovely sunny day, and Peppa and George can't into the garden to play. Mommy, please can we out to play? Mommy, please can we out to play? You can go out to play when you finish your breakfast. You can out to play when you finish your breakfast. George, don't drink your treat too quickly. George, don't drink your treat too quickly. Don't drink it too quickly. Just drink his treat too quickly, and now he has hiccup. Just drink his treat too quickly, and now he has hiccup. Can we also play now, Mommy? Not quite on his hiccup. No. But just hiccup have gone, Mommy. Haven't they, George? But just hiccup have gone, Mommy. Haven't they, Dad? All right, you can go out to play, but look after the George. Okay, you can get out to play, but look after the dog. Peppa and George love playing the garden. They and George love cleaning the garden. George, I'm going to throw the ball, and then you have to catch it. George, I'm going to take it back, and then you have to catch it. George, please stop hiccuping. George, please stop hiccuping. George, now you throw the ball to me, and I have to catch it. George, you take that cookie and that to catch it. George! Just hiccup are spoiling the game. Aggie, just hiccup are spoiling the game. George, I know how to cool his cup. You have to do icing. George, I know how to clean his cup. You have to do icing. Cup your top of your head and cup your tummy. Cup your top of your head and cup your tummy. Good. Now your hands. Good. Now your hands cup have gone. Good. And the hiccup have gone. Just cool for his cup doesn't seem to work. Peppa's cool for his cup doesn't seem to work. Peppa cool for his cup doesn't seem to work. George, you have to move around. No, you have to get around. I know a better way to cool his cup. I know a better way to cool his cup. First, jump up and down three times on one leg. First, and cat 3 times on one leg. Now raise your arm up and down and stick your tongue out. Now raise your arm up and down and stick your tongue out. And now close your eye and turn around quickly 3 times. And now close your eyes and turn around quickly 3 times. Peppa knew Chloe hasn't got either, just he has hiccups. Peppa's new Chloe step what either, just he has hiccups. I know the cool hiccup that you Piggy must be in the sock. I know that you hiccup that you Piggy must be in the sock. Just I'm going to scare you. Duck, I'm going to scare you. But remember, it's only a game and it will stop your hiccup. But remember, it's only a game and it will stop your hiccups. Remember, this is just quite scary. Remember, this is just scary. Peppa, you mustn't play so roughly with George. Peppa, you mustn't play so roughly with George. He's only little. He's only little. Sorry, Mommy. I was just trying to stop George's hiccup. Sorry, Mommy. I was just trying to stop George's hiccups. George's hiccups have gone. George's hiccups have gone. Here comes Daddy Pig with 2 breakfasts of juice. Here comes Daddy Pig with 2 breakfasts of juice. George, if you drink too quickly, you will get hiccup again. If you drink too quickly, you will get hiccup again. I'm not as little as George. I can drink juice as quickly as I want to. I'm not as little as George. I can drink juice as quickly as I want to. Goodbye, everyone. See you later. Goodbye. Hẹn gặp mọi người lại với video sau với cục nha.